How to use Chime Tap to Pay. In this video, I'll guide you on how can you use Chime Tap to Pay. To do it so, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you want to launch the Chime app on your mobile device. Then tap on Pay Anyone option, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Now then, you want to enter their name or Chime sign in and enter the email address or phone number as well. After which, you want to enter the dollar amount that you want to send, add a message, emoji, or a gift to payment, double check the payment details, and tap pay to send the money. Now, what you have to do is Chime member will receive the fund instantly, and non-members will receive a text or email with instructions on how to claim their funds, typically within 14 days by entering their debit card details. This is how you could use Chime Tap to Pay. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.